Your boss just dropped off a task with way too many steps and no notes or email in sight. Before you panic, just know that your prefrontal cortex and working memory got you. Welcome to Prefrontal Cortex 101. Working memory is your brain's ability to hold on to task-relevant information, especially when there are distractions, and update that information in real time. Think about making your favorite dish. You have to remember what steps you've already done and what comes next. Or when your boss rattles off 5 steps and expects you to follow them, you're relying on your working memory. In research, we often test working memory with end-back tasks or rule-based games where you constantly have to remember what came before. In the end-back task, participants are given a series of letters, numbers, or images. The N in end-back refers to the number of steps back a participant must remember. In this example, in the top row, the participant must remember 1 step back. In the second row, the participant must remember 2 steps back. And finally, in the third row, the participant has to remember 3 steps back. Working memory helps you follow directions, juggle mental tasks, and keep your goals in mind even when the world gets noisy. When it's strong, you're focused. When it's overloaded, everything falls apart and can lead to difficulties concentrating, forgetfulness, and the general feeling of being overwhelmed. Next up, we're talking inhibitory control, how your brain stops automatic responses. If this video was helpful, like it, save it, share it, drop a comment below, and follow for more brain science. May Chris be clear.